Alright, there you guys, we're back at YOGINSTINCT. We have this package right in front of us, and it's gonna get crazy. What normal people would do is just like, you must have seen that guy on the internet, you know, who opens normally and then shows you this could be done this way, and like the normal way. But let me tell you this, we ain't normal people, we are X-Men. So let's do our jutsu. Summoning jutsu complete. And now you'll see a one-cut opening. As you can see, this is one cut, and I'm quite excited about this one actually, because it got some crazy stuff in there, some miniaturized lots and lots of stuff in there. So it's gonna get crazy. You can already see I'm pretty much excited. I won't be able to speak in Hindi for this one because I've been waiting for this. Like, you won't believe how long I've been waiting for this, especially this one. Let me show you what exactly this is. It's one of the rarest of the rare Beyblades out there, like a set. You know, you could get its parts, but getting the full thing is just impossible. It's none other than the Beyblade Chozi Special Edition. Why is there that? Yes, Shining God Amaterios. Comes with a clear Destroy Dash, the 3-disc, and the Shining layer, which is white. It's NIB, new in box, not even been opened even once, and completely brand new. This is how it comes. I believe there's a CD in here. No, it doesn't come with a CD or a game, I think. So there's that. Oh wow, that looks sick, right? Absolutely. Like, if you were to look at that, fall in love right away. I love this one. I've been waiting like almost, I don't know, like maybe 4 years for this. And you can see your boy Aiga. I don't know who's this. Definitely don't know this. Shakadera. Definitely don't know this. Comment down below. Tell me who's this guy. And this guy. And this guy. And this, I think this is the Hell Salamander guy, right? No, that one was not. But where's Fee? If it's Turbo, where's Fee? Oh, there you go, on the top. Alright, let's put it away for now. And let's quickly open. What else do I have? More bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. Okay. So there we have a Dynamite Belial, as you can see. Wow. So this one's gonna go to one of the people that already pre-ordered it, so it's an extra piece. Capace, Lucifer. I think I have 2 of them here, so. And okay, 9 more pieces of, yeah, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, right? Yeah, 9 pieces of Vanish Fafnir. We're gonna open that later. This one, what else we have? What else? Okay, what's this? Just bubble wrap. It's some open pieces. Gonna show you in a minute. You're gonna see that. And what's in this box? I guess you can make a separate video for this one. Yeah, we'll make a separate one. But this is pretty much it. Let me just combine everything, okay? Okay, so let's quickly check what do we get in here, because that, okay, 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 okay. These are some of my custom parts that I wanted. So I have a rare version of Josie Valkyrie. This one's gonna fit with that. And I don't know which one's this. Is this? Oh, that's there. My Dranzer V Silver Edition. Finally. It's gotten so rare, it's gotten really costly. And I finally have that as well. Excellent. So there's that. There is this thing I was waiting for. So if you remember, I already had a knockout base, and now I have the Odin chip, so I can make knockout Odin. Perfect, right? Looking beautiful. Gonna make a knockout Odin. I already have the parts. I'm gonna make a custom combo of my own, so we'll show you two once when we make that video happen. And oh yes, I just forgot this about this one. This one is, and if you would notice, now my items are gonna start by number 3 because I've already completed the 1,000 items from Japan. So it's gonna start from 1 again. After 1,000 items, it goes back to 1. So there you go. I was quite sad when they told me that this would not work. You gotta have to like start from 1. I was like, what? And this is one of the rarest Beyblade. I'm just casually talking about something else while I'm assembling it. I don't think if I did this right. Blizzard Orthros is already a rare Bay, and getting this recolor is just crazy. You're gonna see that people are gonna go crazy. For the original plastic generation fan, they will know its value and worth. Late night update. Wow, the color definitely looks sick. Damn, I love it. And it's so brand new that there's hardly ever it was just out of the box, never been played or even touched. Imagine that. Gonna put everything away. I'll just leave it in here. And let me just open the rest. Alright guys, so we have 9 more pieces of Vanish Fafnir. These are all sold, but they were like the batch 2. So batch 1 we already did, and people already got their Vanish Fafnirs by now. This is batch 2. We can only get certain amount of them. We can't really get all of them at once, so that's gonna be crazy if we do that. That's gonna be problematic. We can only import in a limit. But again, it's YOGINSTINCT. We don't think about the limits much. Let me zoom out a little bit so that I can show you guys how crazy that looks. Why are you not staying on top of each other? Come on. Come on, stay here. Well, I'm gonna split you here. Okay, come on. You have a problem with me? And I forgot to show you this. We will be getting a couple of them later, but this is it for now. Let me show you. You've seen a normal Lucifer always, right? What if I tell you that you could always get something like this? How would that look for you? Exactly. Sometimes you can always acquire things that you can't get normally. So if you have money, you got it. And yet again, I did not get it for myself. I got it for somebody because I believe in getting through luck. I don't believe in getting by paid. So somebody wanted it. I said okay, you can have it. and therefore this guy is gonna go to them. A rare chassis Lucifer Spriggan. I think I'm the only one in India that even has so many rare chassis, or even shown it on his channel. I don't think any YouTuber has done that so far. It'll keep you value like the way you are. And this is it for now, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video, because this boy is gonna be unboxed in the next video. But till then, I hope you all enjoy, share, like the video as much as you can, and don't hide my base, okay? See you very soon.